Upon reaching a certain level of success in your life, there will almost certainly be haters in your life. According to me, there are two kinds of haters. Number one, who fundamentally do not believe your values, what you believe in your life, all the values, all the insights that you have, they don't believe you. Number two, indirectly or directly, they are jealous of you. So you got to understand one thing. We live in a social media world. It's 2020. We are so connected with each other. Right now, I'm recording this video in front of my camera and you are sitting in your home comfortably and watching this video. It can take you around 2 to 3 seconds just to type any comment, positive or negative comment in this video. That's the level of connection we have thanks to the social media. So in this kind of scenario, we are connected. That's the reason there are so much positivity as well as negativity, because anybody can judge you at any point of your life. Like I've said, we live in a social media world and we are clicking every second of our life and posting it online. So what you're going to expect? Some good comments as well as bad comments. Now it totally depends upon you how you're going to react. What I have witnessed and what I think, that most of the people take hatred in a very negative way. They feel bad about it, and the hatred of the people actually impact their mind, their life, and somehow they feel let down. Now at that point, you have two options. Number one, you stop everything that you are creating right now. You're making a video, you're writing an article. You can stop right away just for the fact because one stupid person make you feel bad about yourself, your work, even though he or she have no idea what you have done in your life. Number two, live your life to the fullest. Do what you love to do and ignore the haters. I think the second option is better, right? But I know, yes, it's tough. It's really tough. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can deal with your haters. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 pointers, 5 simple pointers that you have to implement daily in your life so that you can ignore the haters and live your life to your potential, to the fullest. So before starting this video, I just want you to give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And yes, if you have any questions, do follow me here on Instagram. Do DM me and I will surely try my level best to answer you back. Watch this video till the end, all the 5 pointers so that you can understand everything completely. And yes, do comment and let me know how you feel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the pointers. Number 1, you are doing something right in your life. So you got to understand one thing. If that person is criticizing you, that means you are doing something in your life, something worth it, that is making you in a limelight, and that's why people are following you. Both good as well as bad. Both who understand you, who looks upon you, and the person who are jealous. So that means you're on the right track. Good job. If you haven't accomplished anything in any field, then certainly nobody would be paying enough attention to give you criticism. So take this in a very positive way, that you are doing something in your life which is valuable. That's why people are getting attracted towards you. And the attraction can be both good, both bad. So you are on the right track. Keep your spirits high and keep the good work going. Number 2, evaluate yourself. See, lot of criticism can be rooted in jealousy, but you got to understand one thing. All the criticism can't be bad. Yes, if a person is pointing finger at you for no reasons, that's completely fine. That you can ignore or you can fight back. That totally depends upon you. But you got to understand one thing. If somebody's criticizing you, if some person probably of your field is criticizing you, then you got to take it in a very positive way, because that person, that criticism can be an insight that can help you in becoming a better person than before. There are times when a certain criticism can be well found, that can help you becoming a better person, that actually tells you what's lacking inside you. Because we are not perfect. Nobody is perfect, right? We are doing something, we are creating something, we are writing something. Anything which you are doing right now, there's always a level of improvement. So you got to take good criticism in a very positive way so that it can impact your life to be a better person than before. You don't have to take all criticism by heart. So you got to understand one thing, that you don't have to take all the criticism by heart. Just ignore the negative one, take the good criticism that can evaluate your life. Number 3, be more humble. See, if somebody is criticizing you, then you have 2 options. Fight back or let it go. I totally get it. When somebody is poking you all the time, sometimes it's good to give a middle finger. That's perfectly fine. I get it. But you know, most of the time people are jealous of you. They cannot accept the fact that you have accomplished so much in your life. And they want to be in your shoes. They want to live your life. They want to accomplish things just as you did. So ignore them, as simple as that. Be humble, ignore them. Learn to control your anger. Learn to control your anger and simply ignore them. Next time somebody criticizes you, just answer them in a very humble way. Reply to them humbly, and believe me, you will feel great. And at that point, you will become much better person than that person right now. You will feel good internally. You will feel proud of yourself, and happiness will flourish inside you. Believe me, do that. Next time anybody hates you for XYZ reasons, just answer them, just reply them humbly, and believe me, you will feel good. Number 4, learn how to ignore negative influences. Like I've said before, we live in a social media world. And if we also not talk about social media in our surroundings, there'll always be negativity. If you do anything in your life, if you want to accomplish anything in life, it really doesn't matter if you're stepping 1 foot front or you're stepping 1 foot back. People will criticize you no matter what. They will pinpoint at you. They will put a finger at your face that why you are doing it. Because that's life, and unfortunately, we cannot ignore them all the time. So it's better that their criticism, their negativity won't affect your mind. That's the most important thing that you have to understand. Just do your job, do whatever that you are doing right now. If something that you wanted from your heart, from your mind, do it. Don't think about the naysayer. Don't think about the negative people out there. Don't think about the criticism. It will happen no matter what. Look at all the great people, all the great personalities in our world. Everybody from top to bottom, they all have been criticized for something or the other. But they never stopped. That's why they are the leaders of their field. All you have to do is you have to ignore them and live your life towards success, toward the path of glory. Last but not the least, the 5th point, and probably one of the most important point, is appreciate your victories, and especially the small victories. How many times that you have been in a situation when somebody told you, please don't do this, you will fail. But eventually you did, and you accomplished that goal. That's an amazing feeling, right? That's the point, that you have to tell the people that what I'm doing, I know from inside that I'm doing it in the right way. That's my path of glory. That's my path towards success. So these are the accomplishments, because haters are gonna hate, and they will tell you that you will not able to accomplish it. You are doing it completely wrong. Why? First they're gonna ask you, why are you doing this? Later, when you accomplish that goal, that same person will come to you and they will ask you, how did you do it? Understand? So appreciate your small victories and live your life to the fullest. Have a vision, have a crystal clear goals in your mind, like a tunnel vision that you want to accomplish no matter what, and ignore the haters. Make your mind a bulletproof one so that all the negativity cannot affect you at all. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope all these 5 pointers will definitely make an impact in your brains. So do let me know in the comment section what you feel and how it will affect your life. So I hope you like this video. Do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam. I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.